Never follow a man's lead, and in this video you will understand why exactly. I know that this situation is very common. You met this guy, and at the beginning, it could be on a dating app or anywhere, you're not really seeking love. You want to be with someone, but you're scared. You're scared because of your past relationship, you're scared to be disappointed, you're scared of men that will lie to you, so you're open but not very open. You're also trying to protect yourself. But this guy, something was just different. You hit it off. It was just normal conversation. Then it started to be very funny. You really cared about him. You felt that there was something special. And I love this situation because that's when we believe in love. And that's when, ladies, when you start to believe in love, you start also to adopt a behavior that is wrong. Let me explain to you. When you are in love or when you start to develop feelings or just emotions for a guy, you will immediately, thanks to the society, you will tell yourself, I need to do good. Tell me in the chat if I'm wrong, or tell me in the comments right below. If you meet a guy that you like, you will tell yourself, I need to do good. I need to please him. I need to follow his lead so I can show him that he can trust me. The problem is, at this moment, men will stop to try to attract you. They will stop to be involved. They will stop to make it work. And they will only, and this is very important, they will only start to consider you as their girlfriend, which means they will talk to you about their issues. They will seek your help. I've seen a lot of those situations where you will fill his papers because he doesn't do admin stuff, whatever. You act like a second mother. You act like an angel. You act like someone that will save him. But I want you to remember something. When you first started to chat with this guy, you were not seeking a relationship. You were a little bit distant. You were very happy on your own. You were responding, but you were taking your time. And most importantly, you were not into him. And now me as a coach, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, I'm a coach. And every single day I realized that men develop feelings, or they will tell you that they are in love with you, or they will be a lot investing in the relationship when you are a challenge. The moment you start to develop your feelings, the moment you start to be engaging with him, usually it takes 7 weeks for him to leave you. He won't tell you, look, I'm not happy, I want to stop the relationship. No, he will tell you, I don't know. I don't know what I want. I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if it's the right timing because of my life. And when you hear, I don't know, you hear, I love you, but I'm not in a good space. And me as a coach, I hear, I don't love you, it's over, but I'm trying to be nice. Because I've never heard a guy telling me, Alex, I don't know if I want to be in a relationship. Oh, yes, I want. No, when they say I don't know, it means I don't want. And they are not able to tell you the truth. Why? First of all, they don't want to hurt you. Number two, they also are like playing a little bit the game of attraction. Exactly what you're refusing. Because I know you would come to me and say, Alex, no more games. I'm too old for games. I don't want to play games. And I would always respond to you, it's no games. It is human psychology. If you want to be with this guy, if you want to build a relationship with him, never let him set the pace. Never follow his lead. Because you will come to me, and this is the most important part of this video. So I hope you're with me. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. I want you to join the community. But Alex, it's him that wanted to see me every day. If you say yes, you become available, needy. But it's him that wanted to text every single morning and night. Same thing. If you respond, you're validating his behavior. But it's him that wanted to be in a relationship. It is his job to get you. It is your job to be a challenge. Longer. I will say enough longer. Why? Because if you do it for 6 months, that's when emotion starts to develop into feelings. So it is steady, it is constant, it is amazing for us. But the first few weeks, it's all emotions. So it can be in love and then, no, I don't want to talk to you anymore. It can go in one day. So the reason why I'm doing this video, it's not to blame you ladies, because you know I'm always on your side. It is definitely to help you. And I know, because I've coached so many people since 2007, I know that nobody is talking about it besides me. If you continue to follow a man's lead, you will follow him until he dumps you. He will not care about your emotions. He won't give you attention, not because he's a narcissist, just because he's too much in control. And this guy is looking for a challenge. And I was the first one in the US, in Europe, in France, to talk about how to become a challenge for a guy. I created some videos just to explain to you this philosophy. You will find them in the description. It's free. You can just enter your email and get access to them. When you learn to be a challenge, there is no more breakups. There is no more "he's taking me for granted," because you will be in control. You will be the boss. So ladies, you have to tell me in the comments, Alex, I would stop being a good girl. I don't want to follow his lead. I want to make sure that he fights for me. And when you will get all the results, you will come back on this video and say, oh my God, it works, Alex. Thank you so much. And I will be the happiest coach and the happiest man in the world. So of course, it's beautiful to hit it off with a guy. Of course, it's beautiful to be in a relationship and to date. But the one thing that will be very, very important, you need to stay as a challenge for a couple of months before to let go, before to become his mother, before to think about him before you. If you want to go further, in the description, you have the gift and you have the private coaching. The private coaching is you and me, we talk. We talk, we find some solutions, I'm on your side, and I show you exactly how we can get the results. If this is what you want, the link is in the description. I will see you very soon for a new video, but remember ladies, you're strong, you're in control. Don't give the control to him, okay? I wait for your like, subscribe to this channel, and I see you very soon.